Hello and welcome to another video. So congratulations, you have downloaded Python, you have downloaded PyCharm. Now today you are going to write your first code. There are two methods to execute a Python code. The first method is using CMD. However, I will not recommend it because you cannot use the autocomplete feature here. Therefore, you are not going to use the CMD. You're going to use the idle that was installed when you were installing Python. If you cannot find it, you can search it here, and here you go. This is the software. And now you are going to write your first code. Just write print TheGuide, and there you go. So congratulations, you wrote your first code. The guide is displayed. Second thing that you can do here is assign a variable any number. For example, I want to assign a the number 10. So now a is given the number 10. If I write a here, it shows 10, right? Now the third thing that I want to teach you here is if you want to rewrite this code, a is equal to 10, all you have to do is press the up key, go here, a is equal to 10, press enter, and that code is displayed here. Now if you want to change the value of a, you can change it here. Let's suppose I write 5 here, a is equal to 5. Now the new value assigned to a is 5. If I press a, the value assigned is 5. Final thing that I want to teach you in this video is how to save it. Click save as, and you go to your desktop or wherever you want to save it. Give it a name, for example first code, press save, and you've saved the document. Here it is, first code, right? Another thing that I want you to know, which is the last thing in this video, you can run multiple scripts at the same time. You see, this is the second script that I'm writing, and I can write here print bracket inverted commas my students. There you go. So coding is all about practicing. The more you practice, you need to practice daily. This is what I am doing, this is what you should be doing. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and make sure you subscribe my channel.